Go.
Hello. I've got my second Temu Haul, and I was gonna go over it with you. This is the medicine chest. I'm gonna say how I like it, and then if it's good, which it looks like it would be, because all my medicine right now is in a bag. But if it's like I want it, then I'm going to order one for Chastity and Jacob too. They come in different colors. And that's that. And I got this diamond paint kit for Chastity to see how she would like to do that. She may bring my neck for doing that, but you know, it's something new. She likes to paint, so we'll see how she likes to do that. If not, we'll just find somebody else that would like to do it. Let me give you the prices on this stuff. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, the medicine chest is $8.97.
They landed on my lucky number.
And this painting kit is $2.78. So then I bought myself a dress. I've been needing dresses. But you know, here in America, you buy dresses and a lot of them are too revealing or too expensive. I can't afford some of these dresses. But I like them because they're long and it's got pockets. But this dress was $17.46, and I got it in the plus size, which is a 14. It's burgundy. So got this, and I got Chastity some of these bags to put in the car. I hope she uses them. But I told her to make them last longer, maybe we could put them one in the car and put like a Walmart plastic bag inside of it and just throw the Walmart bag away, but I don't know if that would work.
They don't look very sturdy.
So, yeah, they don't. But we might find something to do with it. But I like them. That says happy every day. Oh, they both say happy every day. And this is the pink ones. I think they're cute. Those bunny rabbits.
No.
Let's see. I got these. They're, I guess it could be anklets or bracelets, either one.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, it's for, it's this Make-A-Witch. But it's about it's got a paw print on it. And I've got two of them. I've got one I've ordered for my sister, and one I ordered for my daughter-in-law, Amanda. And these, my sister works here and helps me clean. And so I ordered her some knee pads to because her knees bothers her a lot. So when she has to been cleaning the bathtub out or whatever, she said she needed some knee pads, so I got her some of those. But the knee pads are, oh, that's the wrong page. The knee pads are $2.48. The anklets are 71 cents. And then I got these Farmhouse Stencils. And they $4.48. And I've got this. It's a confidentiality. You smear it over your address or any important information. But there's a warning. When I opened it up, there had been ink had leaked out, and it was all over the top. So you don't want to carry it around in your purse or anything. But I paid $1.28 for that. It seemed like there was something. Yeah. And different colored beads. They're alphabet beads, 79 cents. But that's all that on this Temu haul. But I do want to say something about Temu. The stuff I forgot to show you this. This is for Jacob to give to his mama. Jacob, come here and give to your mama. It's okay. There, you read it like that. Jess, do you want to read it?
It's upside down. I can't read it. It's upside down.
Thank you for being such an important piece of my life. I love you forever. Oh, I love that.
I thought that would go good for autism.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what I was going to say about Temu. I like so far what I've gotten with Temu. But that's my choice. Okay? And these coupons or the texts you get or emails you get saying you'll get so much free gifts, and you go and try to get the free gifts, but they're wanting you to share your friends or your families. They want you to send the link to your friends or family. I'm not going to do that. If they want to get on, if they come to me and say, hey, how do I do this? I will do it then. But I'm not just going to put it out there on their email site or their phone number, because I'm not going to spam their information out there. So if that's the only way I've got to get free gifts, then I just soon as not get free gifts. If anybody knows anything different, just make a comment. But anyway, I do enjoy ordering off of Temu. So, but that's it for today. Bye-bye.